The next award, the Goal of the Year Award. And to present this award, let's welcome former Black Star captain John Mensah and celebrated Ghanaian actress Salma Mumin. Let's put our hands together for them as they join us up here.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Salma Mumin and
John Mensah, the Rock of Gibraltar.
We are here to present the Goal of the Year. And the winner goes to... Sorry, the nominees are...
Goal of the Year. This award is given to the player adjudged by fans to have scored the best goal in the season under review. The nominees are Salim Adams, Hirz versus Karela. Mohammed Kudus, Freiburg versus West Ham. Fatau Isahaku, Leicester City versus Bournemouth in the FA Cup. Mohammed Kudus, Manchester City versus West Ham.
Hang on! Hold the phone in the title race! We've just had a very big last few seconds. Arsenal equalising in London.
Emmanuel Kayeke, Samatex versus Ijana FC.
Lovely play from Kayeke. He drives one. What a beauty! Brilliant finish from Emmanuel Kayeke. This is an absolute beauty.
Bernard Mensah, Al Tai versus Al Ahly.
Mohammed Kudus.
Congratulations, Mohammed Kudus, for winning the Goal of the Year. Let's put our hands together for him. Come on.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you that put in the effort to make sure that this amazing event happened today. I'm happy to be awarded for the Goal of the Year award, but congrats to all the nominees because I think everyone put in their effort. And this is a testament of hard work and dedication. Big congrats to all my teammates for the support and all the team around me and my family. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mohammed Kudus, for winning the Goal of the Year.
Congratulations once again to Mohammed Kudus.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.